Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. So today I'm going to be unboxing a pair of wireless earbuds from Master & Dynamic. I've been researching for a while for high-end earbuds and this is the pair that I've settled for. So this is my current pair of wireless earbud that I've been using for a few years now from B&O. It's the E8 2.0 model, and they've had good use, and because I've used them for a few years, I think the batteries had its time, so hence why I've been searching for another pair. When I purchased them at the time, they were high ends and they're exceptional actually, but with technology it changes so fast. In a few years they've outdated now. So let's check this one out. Okay, so let's unbox and then we'll look at it more in detail. Okay, so they're from Master & Dynamic and the model is MW08 Sports. It's got active noise cancellation, true wireless earphones, premium qualities, and it has a total of 42 hours playtime. Got more information about the earbuds here, instructions and details in different languages, and obviously the items that are in the box. Okay, anyway, let's open it up and see. It's a really nice box. Okay, let's actually take this off. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, so they've just come off. So they're the tips for the earbuds, and you have different size from extra small, small, medium, large, or extra large. So it's basically one package to suit everyone's need. Okay, let's put this aside. So a bit more information about the earbuds and details about how to get their app, how it functions, instruction how to use them, and then there's a manual here. Okay, it's in different languages and hence why they come in two different ways of folding. Okay, and then here we have the USB-C cable, very nicely packed. Yep. There we go. Okay. Okay. And that's the end to charge with. And then finally here we have the earbuds. Okay, let's put this away. It's a very nice box. I'm impressed with the packaging. Okay, so I bought these from Amazon for £330, and if anyone's interested, I'll leave a link in the description box. It's a really nice case, feels really good to touch. So the case is made out of Kevlar. It's a premium material, very durable. It feels really like silky but smooth and sort of like leathery as well, that soft touch to it. And looks very sleek. So we have the battery indicators here, green, amber, red. So when we plug it in, we'll see. And we have the charging port here, and that's it. Let's open it up. I'm really happy that it charges wirelessly. Oh wow, look at those. They look really beautiful. So these are shutter resistant, made out of sapphire glass, and the trimmings, as you can see, is made out of aluminium. I love that blue. It's so beautiful. So these have the best battery life for wireless earbuds currently in the market. So one full charge of this case will give you 12 hours of playtime, plus another additional 30 hours from the case, which can be charged wirelessly. So in total, from one charge, you will get 42 hours of playtime. So some of the key features of these pair of earbuds are hybrid active noise cancellation, 2 ambient listening modes for improved awareness of surroundings, and these are 11mm beryllium drivers, 6 microphone talk solution with wind noise reduction, patented external antennas for best-in-class wireless connection, earphones and case quick charge for 50% in 15 minutes via charging cable, case charges via USB-C cable or wireless charging, as mentioned earlier. It's Bluetooth 5.2, silicone and foam ear tips for custom fit, and as you saw earlier, they've included sizes from extra small all the way to extra large, so it will basically pretty much fit anyone. It has 100 feet to 30 m connectivity range, IPX5 water resistant rating. Left and right earphones can be used independently, and as I shown earlier, it has mobile app support as well. Once I test it, I'll do a review of it. So they stay on firmly, they don't fall off. The lid also closes very nicely and firmly. Well, I think this has come with some charge, because when I open it, I can see the green indicator light comes on, and then it turns off when I close the lid, and then it comes back on again. So yeah, there is some charge on it. So I'm going to set them up now with my phone and check out the app as well. Once I've tested them thoroughly, I'll do an update video and my impressions in detail. Thank you so much for watching. If you did find this video useful, please do give it a like, and a subscription would be much appreciated. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.